Hello and welcome back to Gadgetverse, where we bring you the smartest tech to keep your home and lifestyle secure, connected, and convenient. Today, we're looking at the Ring Battery Doorbell newest model in Satin Nickel, a sleek, wire-free security upgrade designed to protect your home or business with smarter features and easier installation than ever before. The biggest advantage of this model is its battery-powered design. That means you don't need complicated wiring to set it up, just mount it, connect it to your Wi-Fi, and you're ready to go. Whether you live in an apartment, own a house, or want to set it up at your business, installation is quick and hassle-free. Now let's talk about features. This doorbell comes with head-to-toe HD video, giving you a taller field of view so you can clearly see not only who's at your door, but also packages left on the ground. Combined with live view and two-way talk, you can check in on your doorstep anytime and even have real-time conversations with visitors, delivery drivers, or unexpected guests directly from your phone. Smart security is at the heart of the Ring Battery Doorbell. With motion detection and customizable alerts, you'll always be notified when someone approaches your door. Whether it's a friend arriving, a package delivery, or suspicious activity, you'll know instantly and can take action right from the Ring app. The satin nickel finish adds a modern, stylish touch that blends seamlessly with most entryways, making it not just a security upgrade, but also an aesthetic one. And because it's part of the Ring ecosystem, it integrates perfectly with Ring Protect subscriptions and other Ring devices, like cameras and alarms, giving you a fully connected security setup. Battery life is impressive, and with the removable rechargeable battery pack, it's easy to keep your doorbell powered. You can even pair it with a Ring chime to hear alerts inside your home without needing your phone. For homeowners and business owners alike, the Ring Battery Doorbell newest model offers a perfect balance of security, convenience, and design. It's more than just a doorbell, it's peace of mind, delivered in a sleek package. Thanks for watching this review on Gadgetverse. Don't forget to subscribe for more smart tech reviews and check the link in the description to grab your own Ring Battery Doorbell today.